Welcome to Traders on Fire, the podcast that ignites your passion for trading and helps you unlock the strategies you need for success. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned pro, this show is for you. Today's episode is the start of an exciting series where we dive into building something very needed for every trader, a solid day trading plan. Before we begin, I want to remind you that if you are serious about trading, we are here to help you. My one-to-one coaching program, the Traders Launchpad, is designed to help new traders like you build a customized trading plans that fits your unique style and risk tolerance. More on that later, but for now, let's jump into today's topic, the foundation of a solid day trading plan. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why do I need a trading plan? Can't I just dive into the markets like everybody else? Watch a few YouTube videos and listen to a podcast and start making money? Well, that's exactly what a lot of traders thought too. But here is the truth. Without a solid trading plan, you are flying blind. Let me give you an example. Let me give you a couple of examples actually. Let's take John, for instance. He was new to trading and he had no plan. He'd heard from some people online that particular stock was going to the moon. I love this one. Elon Musk says it all the time. Going to the moon. So he bought in, no thought to how much he could afford to lose, no strategy whatsoever for when to sell. Just a gut feeling and friends' advice. And at first it worked. He made some money on paper. But then he got overconfident. The same stock took a dive. And guess what? Without a plan, without an exit strategy, he held on, hoping, wishing, and praying the stock would bounce back. We've been there, all of us. Of course, it didn't. And he lost most of his account, pretty much zeroed his account. Now, in contrast, let's talk about Sarah. Sarah is another trader who also started with little experience but decided to build a trading plan right from the start. She set a specific rules for herself, how much she would invest in any one trade, her risk tolerance, and most importantly, her exit strategy. How is she going to book her profits is one of the most important and the most difficult things to learn. When things didn't go her way, she didn't panic. She stuck to her trading plan and cut her losses early. The result, Sarah didn't blow up her account. She learned from her mistakes, adapted her strategy, and now trades profitably almost on weekly basis. It's difficult to be on daily basis. Some days we'll be losing money, but over the long run, over the weekly basis, over the monthly basis, you will see an incline in your equity curve if you have a trading plan. The difference between John and Sarah is not luck. We already know that. It's planning. And that's what we are going to break down today. So, what does a solid trading plan look like? I want you to think of it as your personal trading blueprint, a step-by-step guide that tells you what to do in the market, when to do it, and why to do it. Without this, you're just gambling. But with a plan, you're just setting yourself up for long-term success. The key word here is long-term success. There are a few key components to every good trading plan. Write those down because you're going to need them when you design your own trading plan. First, your goals. What are you trying to achieve? Are you looking for financial independence? Are you aiming to supplement your income? Or maybe you just want the thrill of being part of the market. You just want to talk about the stock market. You want to talk about trading. And there's a lot of people do that. Whatever it is, you need to be clear on this from the beginning. Goals give you the direction, and help you stay focused, especially when the market gets wild. Then there is your risk tolerance. This is crucial, and it's something that John in our earlier example completely ignored. Before we make any trades, you need to know how much you're willing to lose. Let's be real. Trading can be risky. Trading is risky by nature. But if you have clear understanding of how much risk you can afford to take, you won't find yourself in a situation where a single trade could wipe you out. I have been there. One trade will wipe out your account, take it down to zero. For example, maybe you decide that no trade should risk more than 2% of your total account balance. This means if a trade goes against you, it won't cripple your entire portfolio. It wouldn't take you down to zero. You'll live to die another day. You will live to trade another day. The next critical part of your trading plan is your entry and exit strategy. How will you know when to buy into the trade? And more importantly, how will you know when to get out either with profit or small loss? This is where a lot of traders mess up. They don't have a plan for their exit. A successful trader, like Sarah in our example, knows exactly where she's going to sell before she even enters that trade. She has stop losses in place to protect her downside and knows when to take profit without getting greedy. Let's just say you are looking to enter a trade. You don't just jump in because the stock is moving fast. You analyze your indicators, whether it's moving average, RSI, or some other signal that you rely on. Your plan tells you when is the right moment to enter, and more importantly, where your plan will tell you when to walk away with profit or with losses. Now, here's an important thing to remember. Your plan is not a set in stone. Just like you will grow as a trader, your plan will need to evolve. Markets change, strategies shift, and your personal financial situation may change. That's why it's crucial to keep refining and adjusting your trading plan as you gain more experience. But remember, you can't tweak a plan that you never made in the first place. So start now, even if you're brand new to trading and never put a trade in your life. Start by thinking about your trading plan, and we can help you build your trading plan. This might sound overwhelming, especially if you're new to all of this. And that's okay. You're not supposed to know everything right now. The key is to take the first step and commit to building your plan. But here's the good news. You don't have to do this alone. Through my coaching program, the Traders Launchpad, I will work with you one-on-one to help you build a personalized trading plan that fits your style and risk tolerance. Whether you need help defining your goals, managing risk, or understanding technical analysis, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Imagine how it will feel to enter the market each day with confidence, knowing that you have got a clear plan in place. Imagine no more second guessing yourself or making trades based on emotions. That's the power of a solid day trading plan, and I can help you get there. If you're ready to level up your trading and set yourself on a path to success on your trading career, check out the Traders Launchpad coaching program. You will get personalized coaching, you'll get trade reviews, you'll get feedback that help you grow as a trader. Visit www.daytradingfans.com to sign up today. I will post a link on the screen or in the comments section to help you find it. That's it for today's episode of Traders on Fire. I hope you're excited about building your own trading plan, because this is where the real transformation begins. Stay tuned for the next episode of the series, where we will dive into setting clear goals for your trading journey. Until next time, trade smart stay disciplined, and keep that fire burning.